Want to know every way people are getting rich in 2026? Stay tuned, some of these will shock you. Forget old school jobs. These are the fastest paths to wealth this year. In 2026, new millionaires are being made every single day. I spent thousands of hours and millions figuring this out. It's not just luck, it's knowing where the opportunities are. The last method I'll share is the fastest way people are hitting six figures this year. Grab a notebook, turn off distractions, class is in session, let's break it down. All right, let's kick things off with the classics: stocks, real estate, and side hustles. Forget calling a broker in a stuffy suit. Use apps that put market power in your pocket. Use AI-powered platforms to analyze and trade in seconds. Build diversified portfolios from your couch. Start with as little as $1. Real estate used to require massive down payments. Now platforms let you invest fractionally. Platforms like Fundrise and CrowdStreet open commercial and residential deals to everyday investors. You get appreciation and rental income without landlord headaches. Side hustles now scale globally. Etsy, Upwork, Fiverr turn a morning idea into an afternoon payment. Work for clients across time zones. Be a designer for Australia in the morning, a writer for Germany in the afternoon. Use automation and platforms as leverage. This is the foundation of modern wealth. These classics are still relevant, just turbocharged by technology. Next, your online empire, where scalability goes exponential. Now let's talk about building your own digital kingdom. You can launch a Shopify store in an afternoon. Real money comes from building a brand, not just drop shipping. Print on demand removes inventory. Sell niche products you love. Build community on social. Attention feeds conversions. Digital products are as close to printing money as you can legally get. Create once, sell infinitely. Ebooks, courses, presets, workout plans, margins are insane. People are making fortunes selling expertise. Testimonials sell trust. Top freelancers turn into agencies. Hire remote contractors and scale to dozens of clients. Leverage AI to automate delivery and scale faster. You move from trading time to building systems. Leverage multiplies income. Find a problem people pay to solve. Build a product and automate the business. Your market is the entire planet. Stop consuming, start creating. Method number 3 is what most hustlers ignore, and it's costing them thousands. This is the high-risk, high-reward frontier of wealth creation. We're not just buying Bitcoin, we're going deeper into DeFi, yield farming and lending. Yield farming and lending can offer outsized returns, but they carry protocol risk. This requires deep research. Treat it like venture capital, not regular stock investing. NFTs now represent real-world assets, digital identity, and community access, not just art. DAOs become companies. Early participation can be like buying Google in 1999. Virtual real estate, digital fashion, and event hosting are new business models. AI is the single most transformative tech. Investors fund early-stage AI startups for outsized returns. Crowdfunding now opens VC-style rounds to everyday investors. Do your diligence. AI could revolutionize medicine, transport, and entertainment. Find the real problems being solved. This is asymmetry. Small moonshot allocations with huge upside and limited downside you can afford to lose. Read, network, experiment. This space rewards those who learn fast. You can lose everything or make generational gains. Be bold, but smart. Let's shift gears. What if you were the one creating the content you consume? Welcome to the creator economy. Attention is the new oil. Build an audience on YouTube, TikTok, a newsletter, then monetize. Pick a niche you're obsessed with, then show up consistently. Build a community. Trust converts to sales. Ads are the tip of the iceberg. Sponsors, affiliates, merch, courses are the core revenue drivers. Sponsored content and affiliate recommendations pay well when you have trust. The endgame is launching your own products, merch, courses, apps, even food brands. Creators succeed by being authentic and consistent. Show up day after day. Schedule content, engage your fans, iterate based on feedback. Build a brand that supports the life you want. This can be personally fulfilling and extremely lucrative. Creators turn attention into durable businesses. Now let's ride the wave of future trends. If you want massive long-term wealth, look to what's coming next. Green technology, solar, EVs, carbon capture, and sustainable agriculture are capital flows to watch. You can invest via green ETFs or start service businesses in these sectors. Metaverse opportunities, virtual real estate, digital fashion, virtual events and experiences, design assets, host virtual concerts, or develop virtual property. Remote-first startups create massive markets, build tools or services for distributed teams. Physical products for remote work, desks, lighting, mics are repeatable hardware plays. Plant early. These are the trees that shade families for decades. Read industry reports, sketch second-order effects, and ask, what problems will arise? Align with these currents, and you aren't just paddling. You're riding a tsunami of opportunity. Final and most intense method, trading and flipping, the fastest but riskiest routes to get rich. Trading is short-term. Day traders use technical analysis and leverage to ride volatility. It's stressful and requires monk-like discipline. 90% fail, but the 10% who master it can earn life-changing gains. Professionals treat it like a business: position sizing, stop losses, and systematic profit-taking. Crypto trading is like espresso. 24/7 markets, extreme volatility, profits and wipeouts happen fast. A coin can pump 50% in an hour and dump 80% next. Manage risk accordingly. Flipping physical goods, limited sneakers, watches, rare cards, relies on supply, hype, and strong sourcing. The pros remove emotion. They review trades, iterate strategies, and protect capital. If you go in with a lottery ticket mindset, you will lose. For most people, probably no. But if you have discipline and appetite for risk, this path can be the fastest route to $1 million. There you have it. The 2026 playbook. Stocks, real estate, online empires, AI, crypto, creators, and trading. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. Pick a path that excites you. Schedule your first work block. Start today, not tomorrow. Subscribe for more millionaire hacks. Drop your choice in the comments. I read everyone. Thank you for watching. Now stop watching me. Go build your future. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe.